Hello, this is Kuba, and I'm here with my mom today.
Hello.
And we're going to talk about celery juice and the benefits of drinking it every day. So Mom, tell us about your experience with celery juice.
I have experience with celery juice almost 6 months, and every morning I prepare the juice, the celery juice, and I am drinking. And what I could tell, it's very tasty and a little bit salty, and I like very much. And after I don't need to eat something maybe 2 hours, because I am full after I'm drinking the juice.
How much do you drink?
I drink, I think, half a liter, but sometimes during the day I drink more. Sometimes it's even in 1 liter. Why I am drinking? The most important benefit is my blood pressure is going down, and I don't need so much tablets as I was taking. Yeah. And because
so
I every day I check my blood pressure, it's regular, then I don't need the tablets, doctor said. And what else? That's not important. Important is my skin is very healthy, my hair grows up so fast, and they are healthy and they are strong. And the same I could tell about my nails. My nails are strong too.
Okay.
Yeah, and after, of course, after 2 hours, I prepare another juice, orange juice, but it's another stuff.
And now we're talking about celery juice.
Now we are talking about celery juice. I have to say to my son, thank you, because he said me about celery juice. First I didn't believe, but everything was true. And I am very happy. I just start when I'm coming to Canada. I do the same thing like here.
Here in Mallorca?
Yeah, in Mallorca. My daughter bought me the new juicer, and I could do every day.
Yes.
Celery juice.
I know you will.
Yes, of course. It's my first breakfast.
My first meal of the day.
My first meal.
Start your day with celery
Yeah,
juice.
I start the day with celery juice. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Mama.
Thank you, son. I am so happy you give me this advice, and for sure I am making every day celery juice, especially with my age. Remember, everybody's supposed to do. Yeah.
Okay.
I am happy.
And
Just do for your parents, because they need. Everybody has a high blood pressure. And
yes, the elderly people have high blood pressure. So if you make
just
this for your parents,
show the video to them, and they
make them
see
celery
me,
juice.
and then maybe they could do the same what I did.
Thank you so much, Mama. I'm happy too. So let us know in the comments below your experience with celery juice. If you like the video, thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Adios.
Adios.